Hi guys, I thought I'd give you a video on how to do this Thursday activity since it's kind of new to us. I did already post a video of how to download the document, but I figured I'd just give you a directions video just in case it was confusing at all to you. So here's the directions that I've posted, Layers of the Earth Escape Room. And the first thing it says is open the Layers of the Earth Escape Room slides from Google Classroom. Those are right here. So Layers of the Earth, and it says here's our mission objective. It's the year 3056, and amazing new technology has allowed scientists to explore the inner layers of the Earth. Unfortunately, one of those scientists got lost during her expedition. You must use your knowledge of the layers of the Earth to help her make it back to the surface. Answer the questions at each level and be sure to record each answer. Once all four questions have been answered, use the decoder to progress to the next level. You must hurry and help her escape before she runs out of oxygen. So here's level 1 question. We can see the arrow is pointing at which layer of Earth, and you can pick A, B, C, or D. To record your answer, you'll need to download the fillable form, which is an answer key. So if I look back at my directions, my step 2 says, watch the video for how to download and type into the Layers of Earth fillable form. I'm not going to go over that again here. It's like a 4-minute video. Mrs. Furman helps me film how to do that, and we walk through it step by step from what it looks like from a student's perspective on a student Google Classroom. So watch that 4-minute video, and what you'll end up with is this little form. So here I am. Anything that's blue I'm going to type into. So I'll say my name is Sally Student. And let's say I think question number 1 answer is A. And I move on. And question number 2 I think is B. Question number 3 I think is C. And question number 4 I think is D. Clearly, those are not the answers, but let's just go with it as an example. Once I get to the end of those 4 level 1 questions, you can see question 4 for level 1, I come to a decoder. So I'm going to use this key to find the 4-digit code to unlock level 1. So if I said that number 1 I thought was A, I'm going to follow that line and it ends up at 4. So I would put in my form here a number 4. And I said number 2 was B. Question number 2 was B. Again, guys, these are not the right answers, and it's leading me to a 3. So I'll put a 3 for my 2-digit code. I said number 3 was letter C. I'm going to follow that string until it leads me to number 2. And then, of course, letter D would lead me to a 1. So now I'm ready to enter my codes a um, into this digital link to get onto the next level. So I would copy and paste this link into Google, and it will show up with a Google form. I'll see my mission objective, and I am going to put in my 4-digit code. So from my form, it was 4321. 4321. And I click next, and it says, oh gosh, keep trying, that wasn't right. So I know that I got one or more of those answers in level 1 incorrect. And I'm going to keep trying those answers until when I enter my code, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not it either, guys. Until I enter a code that says, okay, you can go on to level 2. So I'll keep working on questions 1 through 4 until I get the correct answers, which gives me the correct sequence to plug into my code checker to move on to level 2. Once I move on to level 2, I have 4 questions. I'll progress through those questions, use my new code checker here. This is a different code checker. I'll use this one to figure out what my secret code is that I will plug into these little boxes down here. I will then plug that back into my Google form, which I've left open so I can keep using that same Google form all the way through. You'll progress through that. Let's go back to our directions. So we answered the questions on the slides and put them into the fillable form. We've inputted our 4-digit message into the link. If it says try again or you got this wrong, you need to go back and fix it till you get them correct. If it moves on to ask for the secret code for the next level, then you're ready to answer the next level questions. At the end of all 5 levels, when I put my level 5 secret code in this fillable form, it will pop out with a completion code, which I will put in this final lockbox here. You'll then save this sheet that has all of your answers on it, and you'll upload that just like you would with a Google quiz, any screenshot. You'll upload that using the file feature back to Google Classroom. So it's pretty straightforward. It's kind of fun. See if you can escape and get all the questions right the first time through. If you have any questions or you're getting stuck on something or not sure where to find them, all of the answers are in your notes or in the reading that you do or in the Quizlet. So your Monday Quizlet, your Tuesday notes, or your Wednesday reading are going to have all of the questions, the answers for these questions for the escape room. So I hope you guys have fun with this. It's something a little bit different to help us review. Make sure you're posting all of your assignments back to Google Classroom or asking me if you have any questions. Okay? Have fun, guys.